Gold is up 60% on the year.
Well, the velocity of the move that's taken place just over the last 3 to 6 weeks is absurd. I mean, it's in a good way. That's got to be a little surprising for anybody. But I mean, you go back to the turn of the year and you start seeing what was bubbling up in gold, and we get to 3,000, and you see Trump policies, and you see the de-dollarization. You see the central bank buying consistently, and Basel III, which actually took effect in July of 2025. So it's now officially a tier 1 asset on central bank balance sheets. So you look at that. I mean, our thesis was gold's going to go to 5,000. We just didn't think that this is going to happen this quickly.
You didn't think it would happen by Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay. That seems to be the trajectory that we're on.
Yeah.
No one's selling.
Well, there is no reason to sell. I mean, the most of the buying is coming from central banks, and they're putting on their balance sheet, and it's a move away from the dollar. And there's we think there's proof that China has understated their gold reserves by 20%.
You think they're quietly accumulating gold?
Oh yeah, certainly.
Okay.
And so I think if gold, and I've sat down with a CEO in the gold mining space, and he asked me, Bill, what would make this? What would ruin this? What could make it go down?
What would ruin this uptrend in gold?
Yeah. And I said at the end of the day, I don't know what would, because the massive selling that would take this away would have to come from central banks, and they're not selling.